Sam Shank, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Hotel Tonight. First, break down for me Hotel Tonight. There are a lot of players out there in the hotel booking space. How exactly are you all different?
We're different because we're mobile only, and we initially focused on the mobile only use case of really last minute rooms. That's how we got in the market and got a foothold and really got a lot of customers using us. And then we've expanded since then to take on more and more use cases. And our customers are now using us for all of their hotel booking. They can book way far in advance. We make it so easy to book at the last minute and give you the very best deals because we use mobile to target the deals at the right customers.
So I remember a few months back, I was interviewing the CEO of Travelocity at their IPO date, and it struck me how similar a lot of these companies are. And I hear you on the mobile differentiation, and I hear you on the last minute booking, but it seems like a very crowded space. As you continue to mature, how do you take market share from the bookings.coms, from the Travelocity, from the hotels.coms as you go forward?
Yeah, our strategy is to focus on product execution and product innovation and bringing something really new to customers every time they open the app, so it's better and better every day. A lot of small improvements, a lot of big improvements too, like our loyalty and perks program that we revamped at the end of last year, and that's how we're going to win. When you look at the incumbents and the desktop players, most of their R&D efforts have gone into improving the conversion rate of their marketing and their marketing efficiency, but it doesn't flow down to delighting and providing a great experience for the customer, and that's where we're going to win.
So when you talk about expanding across all of customers' booking needs, business comes to mind. The likes of Airbnb, some of the larger business booking sites have really been targeting those business customers as well. They spend more, they're sticky. What are you doing to grab that business share? Is it just because consumers love your site? How is that kind of change in customer appetite going?
When we launched, we didn't really know what type of use case we were going to get, but we found out of the gate, really solid product market fit with business travelers. They travel at the last minute, they like to save money, they like to save time. On Hotel Tonight, you can book in 10 seconds and just get it done very, very quickly and know you're going to have a great place to stay. And we're going to continue to invest in that, in tools to make it easier for business travelers to book, to share their itineraries with coworkers. And you'll see a lot of that, of new things coming from us very soon.
Does Airbnb keep you up at night?
No, I love Airbnb, and it's a very complementary product and complementary business to us. So when you look at them, it's going to be a longer length of stay, further in advance. For us, it's a lot of business travel and a lot of weekend getaways at the last minute. It's a big market. There's going to be many winners in this market. We're going to be one of the winners.
So you're pushing into this big market. Geographically, where have you had the most success, and what's kind of next for Hotel Tonight?
Yep, so we are operational in 30 countries. The US is where we started, and is our largest market, followed by Europe, and Europe is growing very nicely for us. And we're also in Latin America, and Mexico right now is one of our fastest growing countries, and we're putting more resources into that.
When you think of where you are in terms of business maturity, y'all have raised some cash. In terms of your capital needs, you say you're investing in R&D. Are you going to need more cash on the balance sheet? Where are you kind of in the stage of the Hotel Tonight life cycle?
Well, we're profitable as a business. We've been very fortunate to have some great investors support us, continue to support us. And right now it's really about focusing on deploying that capital into delighting the customer and making a really unique and differentiated and superior product experience.
And is mobile going to be kind of the heart and home of Hotel Tonight?
Mobile's the heart and home, not because mobile for mobile's sake, but because mobile allows us to have the best customer experience. We can have a one-to-one conversation with our customers, we can provide 8-second bookings, we can use all of the technology that's going into the mobile platforms, and because we're only mobile, we can do things like location-based targeting, our unique geo rates, that the other guys that are spread across desktop and other platforms can't do.
So you're kind of throwing out a bunch of things here that I know a lot of your competitors would be a bit jealous of, being a player on mobile, profitability. You yourself have sold to companies in the past. What is next for Hotel Tonight? Do you want to stay independent? Do you think that somebody like a Google could come and gobble you up and bring them into their product portfolio?
You know, I don't spend much time thinking about that. I'm really focused on providing a great experience for our customers, as I mentioned, and then our hotel partners too. It's really important for us to deliver incremental revenue to them, which is very different than our competitors who are more in competition with them. So we work really hard to provide that targeting, provide those tools and services so that they can feel very good about every booking being incremental from Hotel Tonight.
And that's how you're nabbing them onto the platform, getting the best hotels on the platform by paying out and keeping them with you.
That's right. And our loyalty of hotel partners is incredible.